Now reading passage 1, and this is from test 4 and the book is Cambridge IELTS 11. I'm going to show it step by step and very slowly, but in your exam you have to make it very fast. Now I'm going to show only the method how to get answers from the passage, and side by side I'm going to give I'm going to give you some tips or techniques how to use in solving the reading passage. Now the title of the passage is research using twins. Okay, before reading the passage we should always look for the questions. Now the questions are here: true, false, not given, and here finding the information, and by getting through the name of list of researchers. In the paragraph you will get these names, these scientists, these researchers, and their experiments, and they're saying what they are saying about the topic. And the third type of questions are here: epigenetic processes. Here means fill in the blanks with the help of help box. We will have to find the words. We will put the answers from, select the answers from this help box to the fill in the blanks. Okay, let's move on to the questions. Let's start the questions from true and false. Now read the question. Do the following statements agree with the information given in reading passage 1? In boxes 1 to 4 on your answer sheet, write true, false, not given. In your examination, you directly transfer your answer on the answer sheets, not on the question paper. It will save your time. In listening, you will be getting 10 minutes extra for transferring the answer, but not in reading. In 1 hour you have to solve 3 passages, so make sure you directly transfer the answer onto the answer sheet. Let's read the questions. True if the statement agrees with the information, false if the statement contradicts the information, not given if there is no information on this. Question number 1: there may be genetic causes for the differences in how young the skin of identical twins look like. So we will finding the keywords first. There may be genetic causes, so this is the keyword, genetic causes for the differences in how young the skin of identical twins looks like. So first we will be looking for the word young, how young the skin of identical twins looks, and genetic causes. Okay, let's read it from here. Now it's the true false question answers, so I'm sure they will be from the starting of the paragraph. Let's read it from here. To biomedical researchers all over the world, twins offers a precious opportunity to untangle the influence of genes and the environment of nature and nurture, because identical twins come from a single fertilized egg and that splits into two. They share virtually the same genetic code. Any differences? Now we are coming close to the question. Any differences between them? One twin having younger looking skin, for example, must be due to environmental factors such as less time spent in the sun. Now here the statement is asking there may be genetic causes. Now here they are saying differences between them must be due to environmental factors. Here he is saying must be, and in the statement he is saying maybe, so it is definitely false. Now move on to question second. Twins are at greater risk of developing certain illness than non-twins. Here the writer is making comparisons between twins and non-twins. So in true false, 95% questions are not given whenever there is a comparison between two persons or two approaches or two processes and something like this. And here here the statement says twins are at greater. He is using the degree of comparison, greater of developing certain illness than. if you find these kinds of words in in true false not given questions, definitely, or 95% it is not given. Let's find this statement in the paragraph. Okay, now the question is, twins greater risk of developing certain illnesses than non-twins. Now move on to the next paragraph. Alternatively, by comparing the experiences of identical twins with those of fraternal twins who come from separate eggs and share on average half their DNA, researchers can quantify the extent to which our genes affect our lives. If identical twins are more similar to each other, okay, identical twins are more similar to each other with respect to an ailment, then fraternal twins are, then vulnerability to the disease must be rooted at least in part in hereditary. What the question is saying, twins are at greater risk of developing certain illnesses than non-twins. Okay, here it is written, if identical twins are more similar to each other. Okay, we find this statement, but in the starting here he is saying if identical twins. Now the writer has put word here if. It means they have changed the statement. If identical twins are more similar to each other with respect to an ailment than fraternal twins are, vulnerability to the disease must be rooted at least in part in hereditary. Twins are at greater risk of developing certain illnesses than non-twins. So this is clearly not given. Greater risk if identical twins are more similar to each other with respect to an ailment. Ailment here means illnesses. Okay, then fraternal twins are, okay, fraternal twins here, non-twins, and the first identical twins, then vulnerability to the disease must be rooted at least in part in hereditary. But the statement is also different, and here the writer has put if here, so that is not given. Twins, okay, twins are at greater risk of developing certain disease. So you should not waste time on looking for the perfect statement. If there is not given, we have read out this much of paragraph, then it is 100% not given. Now move on to the question 3. Butchered advertised in newspapers for twins who had been separated at birth. Now we will definitely look for this name first, and then look for the word separated at birth and advertised in newspapers. Okay, always focus on the verbs also. You will definitely get the answers properly. Advertised, butchered. First we will look for we scan the word butchered. These two lines, butchered. Okay. No, yes, we got the Francis Galton. Okay. Yes, here Butcherd's lab. We will read the paragraph from here, but twin studies took a surprising twist in 1980s with the arrival of studies into identical twins who had been separated at birth. Yes, we get this word. And reunited as adults. Over 2 decades, 137 sets of twins eventually visited Thomas Butcherd's lab in what became known as MINOSTA study of twins reared apart. Numerous tests were carried out on the twins and they were okay. Here the full paragraph we have gone through, but there is no information about advertised in newspapers. We got this much, who had been separated, twins who had been separated, and this also. But the main thing is missing in the paragraph. He had not advertised in newspapers for twins. Here the paragraph is saying reunited as adults. Over 2 decades, 137 sets of twins eventually visited Thomas Butcherd's lab in what became known as study of twins reared apart. Okay, numerous tests were given or carried out and questions were asked and so on. So this is clearly Not given. Not given. Now, move on to the question 4. Epigenetic processes are different from both genetic and environmental processes. So, first we will look for the epigenetic process, and again are different. And the word genetic and environmental processes. Okay. In this way, scanning procedure will come very handy for the students. Epigenetic lately. Okay, now move on to the next page. Elemental forces. Okay, now here epigenetic processes. Yes, now read the question again. Epigenetic processes are different from both genetic and environmental process. Epigenetic processes are different. Okay, now what the paragraph saying? Epigenetic processes are chemical reactions, okay, tied to neither nature nor nurture, but representing what researchers have called a third component. Yes, the statement is also matching. Epigenetic processes are different from both genetic and environmental. Now you have to match the words. At first, epigenetic processes are chemical reactions tied to neither nature or nurture. For nature and nurture, he has used the word. The writer is using the word genetic and environmental processes. Okay. For this, true. Our answer is true. Now move on to the questions 5 to 9. Look at the following statements, question 5 to 9, and the list of researchers below. Match each statement with the correct researcher. These are the researchers list, A, B or C. Right, okay, and B, you may use any letter more than once. Okay, now read out the list of researchers. Francis Galton, Thomas Butcher and Daniel Reed. Okay, for this I am not going to read it first. Okay, if you want to read, then you can read the options. Now look at the options. Invented a term used to distinguish two factors affecting human characteristic. Or you can directly go to the researchers where in the paragraph what they are saying and match the information with the question. Now I have read. Now we will directly go to the Francis Galton, where he is in the paragraph. Here in the paragraph he is Francis Galton. Now start reading it. The idea of using twins to measure the influence of heredity dates back to 1875, when the English scientist Francis Galton first suggested the approach and coined the phrase nature and nurture. Here I just wanted to say one thing. Whenever there is a brackets in the paragraph, you should understand it is very important information for the questions. So for the Francis Galton research, this researcher has suggested the approach, coined the phrase. Coined has two phrases, head and tail. So in this way he had told nature and nurture, and here we have read the information. We have read this statement. Invented a term used to distinguish two factors affecting human characteristic. Let's read it again. Okay. When the English scientist Francis Galton first suggested the approach and coined the phrase nature and nurture, approach, for the word approach here, they are saying invented a term, suggested, and first suggested the approach, and here he is saying invented a term used to distinguish two factors. Two factors are nature and nurture. So for this we have find the answer A, Francis Galton. Fine, and we will eliminate this. Now read the second. Express the view that the study of epigenetics will increase our knowledge. Express the view, okay. The study of epigenetics will increase our knowledge. Good. Developed a mathematical method, okay. There must be some other word for mathematical method of measuring genetic influences. Now, eighth, pioneered research into genetics using twins. Yes, I have gone through this word. The idea of using twins to measure the influence of heredity dates back to 1875. Always look for the dates or something, like whenever the word pioneered has given in the questions. So the idea of using twins to measure the influence of heredity dates back to 1875 when the English. For this directly answer will come, which this for eighth, A, Francis Galton. Again we will eliminate this from the list of the options. Okay, now read this statement also. Ninth, carried out research into twins who had lived apart. Okay, in this paragraph again we will find this information we have already read out. Who had been separated. Yes, carried out research into twins who had lived apart. But twin studies took a surprising twist in 1980s with the arrival of studies into identical twins who had been separated at birth and reunited as adults. Over 2 decades, 137 sets of twins eventually visited Thomas Butcher's lab in what became known as study of twins. Okay. Till here it was given about Francis Galton, but from here they are talking about Thomas Butcher, not Francis Galton. But twin studies, he was in 1875, but now they are talking about 1970s. There is a lot of difference between 1875 and 1970s. So from here, from but till here, the writer is talking about Thomas Butcher's, but twin studies took a surprising twist in 1980s with the arrival of studies. So for this we will be writing here, we will be putting answer here. Carried out research into twins who had lived apart is Thomas Butcher. Yes, Thomas Butcher. Now what we have again, we will eliminate this statement. Now what we have left, expressed the view that the study of epigenetics will increase our knowledge. And seventh, developed a mathematical method of measuring genetic influences. Okay, till here we were already gone through 15,000. Okay, now he is talking about Butcher's lab in what numerous tests were carried out on the twins, and they were asked about more than 15,000 questions. Okay, Butcher and his colleagues used this mountain of data to identify how far twins were affected by their genetic makeup. The key to their approach was a statistical concept called heredity. Okay, in broad terms, the heritability of a trait measures the extent to which differences among the. Okay, till here we got an important word like statistical concept. Now in this option, the writer is talking about developed a mathematical method of measuring genetic influence. Okay, for mathematical method he has used the word a statistical concept. Always mind this word for mathematical concept and statistical concept, as well as whenever somebody is asking questions from others and data, they are talking about data, definitely this will come under one paragraph. This will come under a same lines. 12-day mathematical method of measuring. Here clearly they have written maintain a mountain of data to identify how twins were affected by their genetic makeup. The key to their approach was a statistical concept called heritability. Trait measures the extent to which differences among members of a population, measuring genetic influences. For this, B again. See, we are using the letter A and B again and again, more than once. What he has written, you may use any letter more than once. Now we have left with sixth option and C. Daniel Reed express the view that the study of epigenetics will increase our knowledge. Now definitely we will read about Daniel Reed. Where is he till now? Okay, now he is talking about some epigenetic. So where is Daniel Reed? Okay, till we have already gone through Daniel Reed. Okay, now scan the word Daniel Reed in the paragraph. Okay, yes, we got this word Daniel Reed. Geneticist Daniel Reed has worked with many twins over the years and thought deeply about what twin studies have taught us. It's very clear when you look at twins that much of what they share is hardwired. Wired. She says many things. Okay, always read the words which are inverted comma. She says again, many things about them are absolutely the same and unalterable, but it's also clear when you get to know them that other things about them are different. Epigenetic is the origin of a lot of those differences in my view. Okay, again read the statement. Express the view that the study of epigenetics will increase our knowledge. Okay, definitely. Reed credits Thomas Butcher's hard work. Today's work for today's surge in twin studies. He was the trailblazer. She says we forget that 50 years ago, things like heart disease were thought to be caused entirely by lifestyle. Was okay. Twin studies having said that, Reed adds the latest work in epigenetic promises. Okay, to take our understanding even further. What I like to say is the nature writes some things in pencil and some things in pens. Okay, she says things written in pen you can't change. Okay, now we got this statement here. Now Reed says the latest work in epigenetic promises to take our understanding even further. Even further here means it will increase our knowledge. For this, C will come. Now move on to the question. Next type of questions. Question 10 to 13. Questions 10 to 13. Complete the summary using the list of words A to F below. Write the correct letter A to F in boxes 10 to 13 on your answer sheet. Epigenetic processes. In epigenetic, now these are the fill in the blanks. We will firstly try to take a guess from the help box. In epigenetic processes, dash influence the activity of our genes. For example, in creating our internal. Okay, let's read the options first. Nurture, chemicals, organs, environment, code, behavior. Okay, in epigenetic processes, I think chemicals would definitely come here. Chemicals influence the activity of our genes, because here we got to know about, they were talking about, yes, epigenetic processes are different. Here for this we went to this paragraph to find the answer. Here the answer is here. Epigenetic processes are chemical reactions tied to neither nature or nurture. Okay, nature or nurture. Here the statement is saying in yes, epigenetic processes dash influence the activity of our genes. In epigenetic processes are chemical reactions tied to neither nature nor nurture, but representing what researchers have called a third component. It means chemicals will come. Definitely here D will come, chemicals. So we will eliminate this. Next, for example, in creating our internal dash, the study. Okay, we look for the word. For example, but representing what researchers have called a third component. These reactions influence how our genetic code is expressed, okay, how each gene is strengthened or weakened, even turned on or off to build our bones, okay, brains and all the other parts of our bodies, okay. For example, what he is saying, for example, in creating our internal organs. How organs? Because here he is saying how each gene is strengthened or weakened, even turned on or off to build our bones, brains and all the other parts of our body. What are these? These are the organs of our body. So here we will write the answer B. If B. Now, the study of epigenetic processes is uncovering a way in which our genes can be affected by our. Now he has told about the study of epigenetic processes is uncovering a way in which our genes can be affected by our, must be, I think environment should come. Let's take out the, let's check out the answer from the paragraph. What we are looking, the study of epigenetic process is uncovering a way, okay. We were through from here. If you think of our DNA as an immense piano keyboard and our genes as the key, each symbolizing a segment of, okay. One way the study of epigenetics is revolutionizing our understanding of biology is by revealing a mechanism, yes, by which the environment directly impacts on genes. Yes, we got the answer. The study of epigenetic process here. One way the study of epigenetics is, yes, is uncovering a way in which our genes can be affected by. Here he is saying our understanding of biology is by revealing. For uncovering, the word the writer has used the word revealing, a mechanism by which the environment directly impacts on genes. So for this we got the clue here, E. We have put the word here E, and for environment here the option is also E. Now next, one example is that if a pregnant rat suffers stress, okay, this is the clue word. The newborn rat later shows problem in its, let's guess it, nurture, no, organs, these we have used, code, no, behavior. I am sure 100% it will be behavior. Let's check it out from the paragraph. First we will be looking the word for pregnant rat, okay. Studies of animals, okay, wow. Animals, for example, have shown when a rat experiences stress during pregnancy, yes, we got this, it can cause epigenetic changes in a fetus that lead to behavior problems, yes, as the rodent grows up. Yes, we were right. Okay, now the answer here is behavior. B. Sorry, we have to write only F, not behavior or behavior. The spelling is they have used American and UK English. So here the answer will come F. In this way we have attempted this passage, reading passage 1 from test 4, research using twins. I hope you must have got the idea how to attempt the passages, but you must do it very fast. This video has become longer because I am telling you, I am showing it to you step by step and very slowly, so that you can easily understand the text, understand the passage, how to solve it. Thank you so much.